Yintar 6Ft Power Strip Surge Protector.
The Yintar 6Ft Power Strip Surge Protector features 6 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, providing ample charging options for various devices. With a surge protection rating of 1680 joules, it safeguards your electronics against power spikes, making it ideal for home, office, or dorm use. Multiple charging options. The Power Strip comes with 6 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, allowing users to charge multiple devices simultaneously, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Strong surge protection. With a surge protection rating of 1680 joules, this power strip effectively protects plugged-in devices from electrical spikes, offering peace of mind for users. Convenient design features. It features a flat plug design that allows for easy placement behind furniture, and a 6-foot cord provides flexibility in positioning. Cable ties help keep the cord organized. Good build quality. The build quality of the power strip is robust and sturdy, ensuring durability and reliability for everyday use, which is appreciated by customers. Limited cord length. Some users find the 6-foot cord length limiting for larger spaces, as it may not reach distant outlets without extension. Inconsistent charging speed. While the USB ports are generally effective, some users have reported slower charging speeds, particularly with certain devices, leading to mixed feedback. Lack of indicator light. The absence of a light indicator for the on-off switch can leave users uncertain about whether the power strip is active or not, which can be inconvenient. Heating issues with high-power devices. A few customers noted that the power strip tends to heat up when high-power devices are connected, suggesting it's better suited for smaller electronics. The Yintar 6-foot Power Strip Surge Protector is an excellent choice for those needing multiple outlets and USB ports for charging devices safely. Its solid surge protection and sturdy design make it a reliable option. However, potential buyers should consider the cord length and heating issues when using high-power devices, which may affect their decision.
Are you excited to make a purchase? Or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!